What's going on, guys? Thank you all for tuning in once more with a new episode, a new listing here in Lehigh Acres. Now, this is going to be a new construction home, and we're going to see what new construction or what $350,000 gets you guys in Lehigh Acres. So come check this out with me today. Now, I'm going to pan around, show you guys the neighborhood a little bit. We do have a corner lot here. Okay, this is a little bit of an oversized lot. And one thing to mention right from the get-go, we do have everything elevated here, so everything is built to the newest code, which does not require flood insurance. Okay, that helps a lot of buyers out. We have a couple of smart features too. We have a video doorbell here. We have a keyless entry, as well as a smart thermostat that comes with the home. So you're set up there. Nice ceramic tile all throughout. And I'm going to run a couple of stats by you guys real quick. So we got 3 bedrooms plus a den, just under 2,000 square feet, 1,989 to be exact. Ceramic tile all throughout. And this home was built in 2025, was just recently completed. Okay, let me show you guys the rooms real quick, and I'm gonna kind of pan around and show you guys all the different angles so you can see what the room layout is, as well as the closet space. Now, this on the wall right here is just a sticker, so you can peel it right off. If you don't like it, you don't have to paint over it or anything like that. Nice and easy. And then you got your closet space. And then right in between these two rooms here, you have a bathroom. It's kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom right in between both rooms. Okay, we have 9.4-foot ceilings. Okay, here you have your shower / tub. And all the bathrooms, as well as the kitchen, has new granite countertops. All right, just a quick view here from the other bedroom. They're almost the same size. And then one important thing to note as well is that we have efficiency windows all throughout the property here. All right, I'm going to make my way over to the kitchen now. As you guys can see, we have a huge granite center island here. You can probably easily fit 4 bar stools here. We have recessed lighting, of course, all throughout. So nice and modern lights, LEDs. And over here, you can see the den area. Now, you can install easily like a barn door here. Probably would fit very well if you want to cut this off from the rest of the living room area. If you want to keep it nice and private or secluded, you can do that. I'm going to show you guys a different view real quick of the living room area that points out to the kitchen. And you guys can see we have a little prepping area back there as well, right next to the fridge. I'd probably keep like maybe like a coffee machine here or something. But we do have ample cabinet space out here in the kitchen. So lots and lots of cabinets. All right, right behind us here, you have your pantry, and you got the smooth cassette doors for the pantry. And then to the right here, you have your laundry room, washer, dryer. And behind that little door right there is the water heater. So instead of putting it in the garage, they put the water heater here behind this little door back there. All right, I'm going to make my way over to the master. After I show you guys the master bedroom, we're going to go outside so I can show you what the backyard looks like and kind of the surrounding area here. But this is your master, okay? And from window to window, you can fit a king-size bed here if you'd like. And then to the left of me, you have your walk-in closet. This is a very large walk-in closet, so you're not going to run out of closet space here, I promise. If we pan to the right, you have your entry for your bathroom. You got double doors right here. And then there's no tub in the bathroom, only a shower tiled all the way to the ceiling. And then we have his and her sinks, of course, with the big mirror. And then another additional linen closet here to the left of me. All right, guys, so let's go check out the backyard real quick. As I mentioned earlier, we have just under 2,000 square feet in total living space here, with the outside area and the garage, so everything that is not included in the air-conditioned space. We have 2,560 square feet in total. All right, this is going to be your backyard, just so you guys can see how much space there's left for any type of landscaping that you guys want to do. Then we have, of course, the manual hurricane shutters here, just for added security during storms. They're all stacked in the garage, so you don't have to go get them. And then we have a corner lot here. This is a little bit of an oversized lot at 0.31 acres in total. Okay, and all the properties here in Lehigh are on well and septic, so no city water. You have a well and septic system here. Okay, Now, if you guys have any questions about this property, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll blend in my information right here. Or if you're looking for a home like this in Lehigh, you have a specific budget that you want to stay under, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to set you up on a search. You can also visit my website where you can do searches there as well. And it has all the properties that the MLS has. My name is Dennis Muchow with Remax, and I'll see you guys next time.